Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the Archcad in Windows 10. First you have to have the folder which contains setup of Archcad, and open the folder. Then after opening a folder, your folder should contain another folders which also contain the files and folders and many features which is needed in Archcad. So after opening the folder which contain Archcad setup, so you open it and go to setup, the setup application software of Archcad, then you double click or open, then you must wait for a little while and then click yes, and you wait. So this is the first process of installing the Archcad. But first of all, you need to have a folder. I mean this folder which contains the Archcad setup and another application software features which helps an Archcad multi-function and different features. So the folder you have must contain these three files. This is also needed. So we proceed. After opening the setup of our Archcad, and wait a little while, so it's opened. So the next step is to click on next. Again, accept. Click on accept here. Next. Then again click next. Again click next. Again and click next. Or so again click next. Sorry. So then here, this point, you have to wait until it's completed to 100%. You must wait for at least 5 minutes to get completed, so you can proceed more further. So here it's reloading. So again, if your if the Archcad soft proceeding has been completed to 100%, again wait to the next process. Shall wait for a little while. So after completing the processing to 100%, so the next thing is to verify the installation for at least 3 minutes. So you wait for 3 minutes for verification and proceed the next step. Well, after being completed and installation process have been completed. So the next step, it shows here there's nothing else to do, to click next. Then the installation is almost done, but something's left, so click on finish. So the installation here is almost done, but there's one more thing left, so we must do it before we open our software. We must, so you see here the Archcad is here. I think you see here on the left side here, which has been installed. But before we open it, we go upon a folder, setup folder, then double click, open the folder. So then the features, we are going to install the features so that our application may be opened in the proper manner or properly. So you go to this folder. So let me show you clearly how you do it. You go to the lesson folder where we found the setup of Archcad. So open the folder. After opening the folder, go to the first folder of the Archcad setup. Double click or open the folder. So these files, it contain the three files. So select all files, Control and A, or select by cursor. Then after selecting those, left click, copy those three files, all Control and C. Then go to local disk C of your personal computer. Then go to program file here on this folder. Open it. After opening it, search the folder which called graphics soft. Here, this is it. So open it again. After opening it again, open the folder called Archcad 21. Archcad 21 is here. Then open it again. So if you reach on this point, paste the lesson files here. Press Ctrl V and okay. If you have a super copy soft, so it's better to disable it for a little while before you paste those files. So I'm going to disable it, deactivate. So I'm able to paste my files here. So I'm going to paste my file here. I either left click and I paste the lesson file I haven't selected, so paste. So if they tell me this, so you press and continue. So you wait. Again, continue. Again, so it's come. If it's come, let's continue. So this is so on my phone that is already started. It's already started. Yeah, 3. Yeah, here. So my process is done. My installation process is done. Well, I think this is what I want to show you today. So here I can also open my software without any problem. This can be opened at any time, and you can use it for anytime, anywhere you want. So thank you for watching my video. My name is Valentin, and see you in the next video.